Hey, welcome back to Let's Tech. It's your boy Loki, and today, as you can see, we're in a new place. So I know I've been busy with work and stuff, and haven't been uploading quite frequently as I wanted to, but I'm sorry. But yeah, I have moved to a new house, so this is gonna be that empty house tour. But yeah, let's begin with the video. Thank you for watching LS Tech. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, enable notification with the little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest videos. As you walk in, you get to the door here. I wanted to show you outside, but I've got bands and stuff parked, so it's a bit ugly. And as soon as you walk in, this is what you're greeted with. Got a little staircase here going up. Got the way, so let's just look through one of the rooms at a time. So this is the kitchen. It's less little eating area, as you can see. Hopefully we don't have too much light coming in. See if I can adjust that. So as you can see, my dining table is here already. Some stuff have already arrived due to everything that's happening around the world. So if you are, just stay safe and be hygienic. So this is enormous kitchen, as you can see. This is huge. A lot of space. A huge little oven here to cook. Fridge, everything is here. So yeah, let me show you that. If I open here, we've got the fridge, very nice and very big, which I love. And on this side, we've got the freezer. Pretty big, pretty nice, a lot of space. Standard oven, and you can see I've got a lot of cupboards, and now I've got this black marble top, which is really nice. Really well with the white contrast, and you know I love the black and white, so that's going to be amazing for me. But yeah, let's carry on. We've got a mirror here, so as you can see me, I'm here holding my camera. But yeah, let's go to the toilet. I'm sorry about this not focusing properly all the time. A lot of lighting, but here we've got a toilet with a huge sink. Literally, it is huge. Got a very nice big mirror here. Got lighting in the side and everything. Look at that, that's gonna be nice to look at in the morning. Got double sink, very nice little shower there, as you can see, pretty huge. Got top shower and everything, just amazing. Toilet, let's carry on. And this is the master bedroom. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that bed and change that up. But very nice, decent side. Let's see if we can have a look outside. See if we can give you a sneak peek of what's outside. We've got something there, I'll show you that later. But let's carry on inside. So we've got an inbuilt cupboard, which is really nice. And the bed, yeah, of course, that's gonna get changed. But I'm not sure about that color. Should I change it? Should I keep it? It's like a muted, look. It's not even showing up on the camera like the proper color. It's like a dull blue, but grayish blue. But let me know if I should change it. Here's the living room with the dining table. And spoiler alert, you can see I've already went for the purple color in here, because I'm gonna, you know how I like my colors. The purple, the blue, and the turquoise. So this area is gonna be purple, and the kitchen is gonna get some turquoise, blue, green action, aqua color. But yeah, that's already set up there, as you can see. I had to do that due to the coronavirus. Some stuff are not gonna be the way I wanted. But yeah, it looks fine. Very huge, as you can see, a lot of space. And here we have a terrace. So let's get that in focus with the garden and everything outside. Just go outside and have a look. Very nice. And I have a terrace, like a balcony, because the way the house is, I actually have this floor as well, which goes down and out. A very nice garden, as you can see. Nice. Let's go up the stairs now. We've got this little curved stairwell. Does make a bit of sound. It's nice. And we've got the radiator there. A lot of space. Let's move on to this side. We've got some empty space here. No idea what I'm gonna put here. And we've got one of the bedrooms here. Very nice, huge side. Pretty big. all the rooms are like really big. Let's just go to the secondary toilet here. Simple with a shower and a sink and everything. Nothing fancy, but it's nice. Let's carry on. Hopefully all these lights should not be disturbing, but we've got another room here. Nice and big. All the rooms are really nice and big, which I really love. And we've got the man cave. Yes, I'm sorry, the sofa and the tables are already here, and that needs to move. I don't know where I'm going to put that. Just for now, that's going to stay there. But yeah, and here's where the TV is going to go for the gaming room, the man cave. Downstairs, I'm just going to have the normal TV with one of the PlayStation. And in here, we've got another room. Very nice. Pretty big size, I have to say. So, got a lot of space, so that's going to be really, really good. And in here is where I'm going to keep the office. So I'm going to have the office desk probably in this corner, not sure, or probably over there, and then have my review table here, and have the camera, everything just set out so I don't have to sit and fiddle with it every single time, because that is just a bit annoying. So probably there I'm going to have the review table and my desk there. So yeah, as you know, I'm a big Lego fan and I love building Legos. So you've seen my previous videos, always Legos everywhere. So I'm actually going to dedicate the entire channel just for my Lego builds, and I'm going to start building a Lego city. That's going to be awesome. It's called Lux Brick. Very nice name. I'm going to leave a link in the description for that YouTube channel as well as Instagram. And by the time this video is up and live, that video will be there. So make sure you check it out, subscribe, and let me know my feedback on that channel as well. But yeah, that's going to be amazing. So yeah, as you saw, that was a house tour. It's not pretty empty. I'm sorry, with the coronavirus, everything, times are shifting. So just make sure you stay safe out there. Stay hygienic, stay with your loved ones, and just be safe. I'm not sure how well my videos are going to be coming over the next few weeks, because I don't have a huge time schedule to move stuff around because of everything. Some stuff are closed, I can't get new stuff, beds. I'm like, don't know what to do, but I'm hoping for all the best. My things are gonna arrive. But I'm gonna keep you updated, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're new. But if you're already here, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one. Take care.